Hi there, ukulele friends. How's your Sunday going? Mine's going pretty well. I've gotten a lot of things done, but it's felt relaxed. Oops, and I just flipped this over the wrong way. I'm just putting it on. Yeah, let's play that ukulele backwards. How many of you done that? How many of you are addicted to straps? I am. I can't even play a ukulele without a strap. And so if you go to try out ukuleles at a festival or things like that, and I just feel like I can't even really test them out because I don't have a strap, unless they happen to be pre-drilled, which frequently isn't the case with high-end ukuleles, or at least that's been my experience. What's your experience on that? It's a gorgeous day here. It's kind of overcast, but not threatening in any way, and it's in the high 80s, but I can tolerate being out here. I've been practicing outside. I haven't, busted out a hideous sweat. I'm maybe a little dewy to the touch. Yes, we glisten, don't we? Okay, well, I was thinking about how much I actually kind of enjoy just hanging out at home, and it makes me wonder if I've gotten scarred for life. Anybody else finding that experience? Although there's certainly, there are things I miss. I miss my parents and my family. I got stranded here stateside and wasn't able to go see them because my passport still hasn't arrived. And so it's been April, May, June, July. We're into August, so it's been over four months since I sent my passport in for renewal, and they did tell me it had been shipped. Just got notice this week. So if you're planning on doing any traveling abroad, or just want your passport renewed, it's going to take a while. So, I'll edit this out, probably. Big pregnant pauses. I have 3 questions for you today. Number 1, how do you get rid of piss ants? It's been a daily battle for a week now. I just leaving my vacuum cleaner hooked up with the nozzle, soaking up, sucking up thousands of them in the vacuum cleaner. Maybe they're just getting out of the vacuum cleaner. Ooh, that's a thought. Anyway, piss ants. Number 2, what have you been practicing today? I'm still working on some Paul Simon stuff and trying to rhythmic things on a ukulele arrangement, playing around. And then I was doing a piece that I really love. So this is the 3rd question coming up. Which does it sound better on? It's really quick. I'm going to play it for you on reentrant tuning, the high G, and then I'm going to play it with a low G. Tell me which one sounds better. Which high G or low G sounds better? This is Freight Train, and it's an Aaron Kime arrangement. Buzzes there. One of these days I'm going to be able to play it totally buzz-free. I'm suited up with my low G strung instrument, and here it goes. Got buzzes. I'll get rid of those one of these days. So which one sounds better to you? Because when I first learned it, I learned it on reentrant tuning. So when I play it on my low G, it just sounds weird to me. But is that me and because that's what I'm used to? So please let me know down in the comments below and tell me what you're practicing and how to get rid of those piss ants. I hope your weekend goes great, and I hope you have a wonderful week ahead of you.